Hi, I'm Blair.
And I'm Mac.
We moved from the US to the UK about 6 months ago with our family. We now live in central England. We decided to make a video to discuss our experiences living in the UK.
In particular, we want to talk about the differences between driving in the US and the UK. We have 5 key things we've noticed is different. The first one, of course, is that in the UK, you drive on the left-hand side of the road. And it's not just about driving on the left-hand side. The car is also opposite. The steering wheel is on the right-hand side, and if you're driving a manual, then you're operating that with your left hand.
Number 2, let's talk about roundabouts. Roundabouts, or circles as they're called in the US, are everywhere. Where you enter a roundabout determines where you will exit. Some roundabouts are very simple with 1 or 2 exits, and some are very complicated with up to 6 exits. There are also double roundabouts.
The double roundabouts are treated the same as a single roundabout. You're just making those turns twice. Number 3, signs. The signs in the UK are all different than the signs in the US. The sizes, shapes, and symbols on the signs are all different.
It is very important that you study the UK Highway Code before driving in the UK. Number 4, let's discuss roads. The major roads in the UK are very similar to the major roads in the US. They both have on-ramps, off-ramps, multiple lanes, and shoulders.
However, the back roads in the UK are very different than the roads in the US. Many of them are so narrow that they would be classified as single lanes or just tracks. The back roads don't have center lines, edge lines, or shoulders. It's very common to have to pull over to the side of the road to let another car squeeze by or risk an accident.
Number 5, weather. The weather in the UK can change very quickly. In a single day, you may experience sun, high winds, or rain.
The most difficult driving condition in the UK is related to fog. The fog here can be very dense and last for several hours or even all day. However, if you use your fog lights and take your time, it is quite manageable.
These are our 5 examples of driving in the UK. Thank you for watching our video.